After about 6 surgeries, I started to notice that I was having stuck feelings and tightness and soreness that I had never had before, but I lived with it. And then I had a partial bowel obstruction, and it was mind-bending pain. And it was scar tissue that was left over from my surgeries. Well, my doctor said that I should get more surgery to cut out the scar tissue. That didn't seem like a very good idea to me. More surgery for the other surgeries, which was only going to cause more scar tissue. And I said, okay, I have a choice between expensive, painful surgery and gentle massage to get rid of the scar tissue. That's easy. I'm going to Clear Passage. After the first day of getting treated for the scar tissue from all my surgeries, all of a sudden I started to stand up straighter, and I started to feel free around my waist and around my back, and I felt taller, and I also just felt this incredible weight off of me, which is kind of hard to describe, but it was the literal weight of pulling me down, and also just the emotional weight of all that scar tissue. And each day as I got treated, I felt freer and freer and freer. And after several days, I felt really great. What I learned is that most conventional doctors just don't talk about the scar tissue that you can get from surgeries and what it can do to you, the adhesions that it can cause. And the more surgeries you get, the more adhesions you get. Well, they just don't talk about that. After my bowel obstruction, my doctor said, well, if it happens again, you can go back to the hospital and get another tube down your nose. And then if it keeps happening, you can get surgery. I'd like to think I have some good doctors, but no one ever mentioned scar tissue or explained any of it to me and explained that surgery causes scar tissue. So I had all this scar tissue, and none of my doctors ever told me about it or told me what to do about it. They just don't. What they did at Clear Passage was educate me about how to take care of myself after treatment so that I could prevent this from happening, so that I knew what to do, as opposed to being dependent on a hospital emergency room to fix me. After my bowel obstruction, I started having to live with this fear every day that this thing was going to come back. And it was hanging over my head like a dagger. When was it going to come back? Could I travel with my family? No, I needed to be near a big hospital because I never knew. And having to live with that is awful. And now that I know that A, I've been treated and the scar tissue has been broken up, but B, I know what to do if I ever get those symptoms again. I just feel this huge weight off my shoulders. The fear's gone, and I feel like I can travel with my family and not worry about it, and I could just get my life back. It takes a place like Clear Passage to educate you and be willing to treat you, because most doctors won't.